there's our female, and there's our male, Foggy. Oh, you totally scared Cayenne. Foggy's used to you doing that.
Wait,
Hey, little
show them
girl.
this.
Oh! I'm surprised he's used to that. You silly boy.
Yeah, he doesn't care.
I want to see him flirt with Cayenne. You gonna flirt, little boy, like they were doing? Don't piss her off. Where's that girl? Good boy. Careful. They might come. You like to do that to him, don't you?
Is there poop on me?
No, I don't see any, Shell. Here. You're in the clear. You don't have any cockatiel crap on you. Hi, Foggy boy. Hi. Where's our little girl? Where's Cayenne? Oh, there she is. She's in the back right here. Here's our girl. That's our birdies. This is little King, our tame budgie. He could get on us if he wanted to. He's a male, adult. Yeah, that's our boy. Can you say hi? Hi. That's our little boy. Yeah, good boy, King. Hi. Yep, you could step up. The other budgies are just scared to death. The one in the white and black and blue, in the green and yellow, they're two baby boys. And the one on the swinging is a senior adult male. That's Sky, and the two budgies are Storm and Teal. Hi, King. How's our little boy? Hi. Hello. You gonna kiss? That's a good boy. That's our budgie. Up, you're telling me you're uncomfortable. You don't want that. That's a good boy. Yeah, say hi. What do you think, huh? You like the camera? You like the camera? Yeah, that's a good boy. Thanks for saying hi, King. Foggy, he's paranoid of the camera right now. Here you go. Oh, Cayenne. Up, it's okay, babies. Aw. They're okay, Shell. They're in the cage. See you later, little boy. Bye, birdies.